What is up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great week. Original Dobo here, and the time has finally come. Let's do my Budget Desk 2018 tour. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video. This is my budget desk setup, and all in all, it's $800 complete with computer, and it's actually rocking a Mac Mini. However, if Mac OS is not your cup of tea, I'll include a link for some alternative options. The desk is an IKEA Limone, wouldn't be a budget desk without one, and the chair is an IKEA Snile chair. It's not very comfortable, but it does look good and complete the look. Cable management on this desk is a little bit tricky, so you're going to have to be creative. I think I did a good job here. The monitor is an Acer 24-inch 1080p. On the desk, we have some Logitech peripherals, a Logitech K750, and the Travel Anywhere S mouse. We also have two Logitech speakers pairing up the audio to my Mac Mini. And this is a Mac Mini, the base version, but it works really well, and I have it in a vertical stand. Everything in this desk is totally budget friendly and really super affordable. All in all, for under $800, I matched up to my cat's color scheme very well, I think. I'm going to include a link in the description below for everything here listed. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free. Stay original. I'll see you next time.